If you want to remove an email account from Outlook, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process to remove an email account from Outlook, and I'll also explain an important detail so you know exactly what this change does and does not do. This is especially useful if you want to clean up old accounts, remove an email alias, or stop Outlook from syncing a specific mailbox in your browser view. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Outlook in your browser and look for the settings icon, which is the gear icon usually found in the top corner. Click that settings icon to open the Outlook settings panel. Once the settings menu appears, navigate to accounts and then select email accounts. This is where Outlook lists the email accounts connected to your profile. Now find the account you want to remove. Next to that account, click manage. After you open the account management options, look for the remove button and click it. Outlook will ask you to confirm the removal, so make sure you select the correct account before you continue. Once confirmed, the account will be removed from your Outlook browser view and it will stop syncing new mail and updates in Outlook. That means it will no longer appear in your connected accounts list the way it did before. Now here's the important part. Removing the account from Outlook does not delete the actual email account itself. It only removes it from Outlook and stops synchronization. Also, if the account is tied to aliases or at least one primary email ID, this method is ideal for removing the aliases associated with that email rather than deleting the entire mailbox. So if your goal is just to disconnect Outlook access, this is the right method. If you were expecting the entire email address to be deleted permanently, that is a different process and would need to be done through the email provider itself. So to quickly recap, open settings, go to accounts, choose email accounts, click manage beside the account and then select remove. It's fast, simple, and perfect when you just want to clean up your Outlook account list. If this tutorial was useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.